Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Introduction to Trigonometry. Hello friends, may I request you to please click on the subscribe button below this video.
The given question is choose the correct option, justify your choice. And the given equation is sec A plus tan A into 1 minus sin A is equal to what? And the options are A is given as sec A, B is given as sin A, C as cosec A, and D as cos A. So guys, let's move ahead and try to solve this given equation and find out the correct option. So here the given question is sec A plus tan A. Sec A plus tan A into sec A plus tan A into 1 minus sin A is equal to what? This is being asked. And the given options are A is sec A, B option is sin A, C option is cosec A, and D option is cos A. So these are the four options they have given, and we are going to solve the given equation or given question, and we are going to find out which option best fits into this. So option A sec A, option B sin A, option C cosec A, option D cos A. Now let's start our calculations, or let's start our solving these questions. So the given question is like sec A plus tan A into 1 minus sin A. We are going to solve this particular given equation. Guys, wherever you see like this type of equation sec A, tan A and sin A, let us try to convert this to sin and cos. Or that is what I am going to do. I am just going to convert in this sec A tan A in terms of sin and cos. So I can write the above equation as, or this is equal to sec A is nothing but 1 by 1 upon cos A plus tan A is nothing but sin A upon cos A into 1 minus sin A. Or that is equal to, I can write 1 plus sin A upon cos A into 1 minus sin A. Or even I can write it in a single line, that is as 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A upon cos A. Nothing yet, just I took it in a single line. Hope guys, till here we are pretty clear. This is very easy, very simple way, just I'm solving these equations. So we got 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A upon cos A. Guys, we very well know that A plus B, into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. This is what we are going to use here, because we got 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A, that is nothing but A plus B into A minus B. So I can write the above equation as A plus B into A minus B is nothing but A square minus B square. So here A is 1 and B is sin square A. So A square minus B square upon cos A. Hope guys you understood this. Just we got 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A, which is nothing but A plus B into A minus B. So A plus B into A minus B is nothing but A square minus B square. So I rewrote the above equation as A1 to the power 2 minus sin square A upon cos A. Or that is equal to, I can write, what I can write? Guys, we very well know the popular identity of trigonometry as sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Or I can write cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Just guys, I'm going to use this one, this particular identity like sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. From that I derived cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Now here in the above equation we have 1 minus sin square a. So I can write this one as what we got? We got 1 minus sin square a upon cos a. So that 1 minus sin square a upon cos square a, I can write what I can write? I can write this because you could see that cos square theta is nothing but 1 minus sin square theta. So here we have 1 minus sin square a. So 1 minus sin square a is nothing but cos square a upon cos a. Or that is equal to, I can write cos square a is nothing but cos a into cos a upon cos a. So you could see that this cos and this cos cancels out. We are left with only cos a. So guys, we got what we got? We got the answer is cos a. This is our answer is cos a. This is it. This is what we got. Now let us move off and see. Let us move off and see what we have now. So which one represents cos a? The option D. The option D represents cos a. So that means the best fit or the best answer for this is our option D, which is cos a. Hope guys you understood this calculation or this process, what I did and how I reached out at the as our answer is cos a, and this is nothing but option D. Guys, if you still have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe.
If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.